Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing an unboxing / review video. I've already unboxed the product and I put it in my vlog, which you won't see until probably the end of this month or the next month. But the company is Dossier. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Dossier. I mean, I've seen a couple of people pronounce it that way, so I'm going to go with that. It has high-end luxury scents for a fraction of the price, and it's inspired by other higher-end / more expensive scents. This one is inspired by Narciso Rodriguez. I'm sorry if I butchered that name. I am terrible with names, especially foreign ones. And the scent is for her. The little note card has top notes, middle notes, and base notes of the scents that are inside this bottle. This is the main perfume bottle. This is what it looks like. I'm going to pull it up close. It's very minimalistic and chic. I like especially how it has a magnet top. So, and it's tough to get off. It's not like, see, I mean, I can just, it won't come off. I love this smell. I picked the scent Musky Rose. I'm not getting paid for this. I do have a discount code called Amateur Aries 10 for 10% off of your purchase. It has, I'm going to butcher these words too. Top notes of osmanthus, bergamot, orange blossom, and middle notes of rose, peach, and jasmine. Base notes of musk, patchouli, and oak moss. I love it because it has rose in it. For those who know me and who's been with me for a long time knows that my favorite scent is roses. I also love orange blossom. Orange blossom is one of my second favorite smells. It smells so good. Just gonna put that back on. The concentration is 15%. Says, thank you. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at fair price, giving you the freedom to explore scents. Thank you for giving us a try. Let's see how it works. Any scent you order comes with a sample that you can test before opening the full-size 50 milliliter bottle. Don't like the sample? Just return the package with the 50 milliliter bottle and you will get a full refund. Returns are free, no questions asked. Now, since I only got one bottle and I got it for free, I'm not going to send it back. Plus, I like the smell. You do get a sample size, as they mentioned. See? Sample size. It says Musky Rose on it. The thing about the return and refund situation, it's a little bit, I don't know how to call it, but I did look it up to see a little bit more into it. You have to sample the sample size and not open this bottle. If you don't like the sample smell, you send the bottle back unopened. And you send it back, no questions asked, and you only get the refund of the payment of the bottle, not the shipping. So if you say this was $29, so this was $29. If I were to send it back and the shipping was, say, $9, which I think it is, you can get only $29 back for the price of the bottle, unless you use 10% or the 20% off that's on the website. Take that in mind when you're purchasing the product and everything like that. I'm going to read some notes that I wrote down because I forgot some of these because I'm not good with memory. It is made in France. They are vegan, paraben, and cruelty-free, and the prices range from $29 to $59 from men, women, and unisex scents. Shipping is always free if you purchase 3 bottles or more, and I think you can purchase up to 5 or 4 to 5 bottles each purchase. And the return policy, you have to return it within 30 days. So make sure you do that. Test it right away when you get it. I heard from some people that it took a little while for them to receive the product, and some people it came pretty quickly. It came pretty quickly for me. I got the email that they were sending it, and like 3 days later I got the product. So that was pretty fast for me. Especially since I have to wait for influencer boxes, and then sometimes that takes like a week or 2 to get the influencer boxes. So I'm very happy that this came as fast as it did. I like how minimalistic and chic the bottle is. I don't know if I already said that or not, but I really like it because compared to the other bottles that I have, the other high-end / low price perfumes that I have, because I'm cheap because I can't afford much. These are not fancy, and that's okay. I don't like fancy bottles too much, because the fancier they are, the more expensive they are. And this girl can't afford expensive, so I like how minimalistic this bottle is. Especially since it just gets to the point. The whole top notes, middle notes, base notes, and musky rose and dossier on the bottle. I like how it just gets to the point. It doesn't have all the ingredients in the back, which I think that's all the ingredients that's in it. I don't think there's anything else added to it. It doesn't say anywhere that there's anything else added to it. So, and I really like the magnet top. I already said that. Oh, it smells so good. The spray is a little bit difficult to press down, but the scent just went in my mouth. It has a soapy taste to it, if you're wondering. The spray is very nice, so it unfolds into a nice cloud, which I like. That means it sprays all over. I'm definitely keeping this bottle. I think that's all that I can really say about the product. I really like the scent, I really like the bottle, I really like the magnet, and I like the price. $29 for this is just perfect, especially since it's based off of and inspired from another high-end price or high-end perfume. I'm going to put the price of that perfume right here if I can find it, and then you can see the difference. Actually, let me look it up. You guys deserve to know. Let me go grab my phone and look it up for you guys. Alright. Google. No, Google. Narciso, I think that's how you pronounce it. Rodriguez for her. And Sephora, it looks like it's being sold for, well, that's just the sample size. For the sample size, it's being sold for $30. Let's go back and look at shopping. Go to shopping. Deluxe mini set is $40 at Sephora. For a 1 ounce 30 millimeter, it's $58. For a 3.3 ounce, it's $68. For a 5 ounce, it's $146, but it's being sold at Macy's for $129 for 5 ounce. So it depends on where you're shopping at, I guess. But it is cheaper at Dossier. Dossier.com. Only for $29. Now I can't compare the scent to the original scent, the inspired scent, because I don't have the bottle. But I like this one a lot, so I'm gonna assume that if it's based off of this bottle or this scent, that it's gonna smell similar to it, and then I'm gonna like it. So please check out Dossier.com and check out the different, scents. I mean, there's not a lot of men and unisex scents. There's a lot of women scents from what I saw. I really love this scent though. I do. And it doesn't give me a headache. Most scents give me headaches. I get really bad headaches from perfumes. So I like how this one doesn't. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.